Okay. Hey guys, it's Melissa here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Elizabeth. And this is my Mother's Day video right on the screen right here. And if I'm going to be watching this video on my Punches 3, it's going to be a coincidence because I'm going to see the TV on the TV. So, it's freaking weird. But I'm going to be doing a freaking hilarious compilation. Oh my god. Man, it's going to be so funny. It's literally a freaking burping compilation from my videos, and since I don't have enough burping videos, you know, with burping in it, I'm gonna freaking burp in this video. One, two, three. Dang it. I wish it was freaking like this. I freaking burped a lot on this channel, but and Hello Neighbor sucks. If you're watching this, don't freaking watch it at all. Click off the freaking video and don't freaking comment. I freaking hate you. Oh yeah, and you call me a freaking bad singer. Well, your freaking singing is worse than mine. And you're freaking like, oh. And if I hurt your feelings, sorry, not sorry. Because you freaking hurt my feelings, and that was pretty much one of my big dreams, to become a singer. So yeah. Oh god. For you, Hello Neighbor sucks. But anyways, let's just get started on the video. Let's get laughing, okay guys? Here we go. Let's get started. We said that already. Oh my god. If you freaking laughed at this freaking video, make sure you like, subscribe, favorite, comment, turn notifications, whatever you can do. And if you didn't laugh, dislike, get out. Don't freaking put a freaking stupid hate comment about it. And last but not least, click off the video if you didn't like it. And pretty much get out of my freaking face so I won't see you ever again. Bye to you. But anyways, tack för attitude today. Bye Hejdå. For all the haters there.